heater above my head isn't working. Flip it on, nothing happens. I think it's a burnt coil. Let's figure it out. Start by unscrewing this little thing, then taking the screen off. Look, these wells could talk, huh? Alright. Pretty sure it's a burnt coil. Not sure what to do about it. Yeah, oh God, I got on my phone. Thermador, Hollywood, California. Watts. It's like 15 inches across, but how do I... something burned out. Reset. Let's see if that did anything. Reset. Push the reset button. Can't tell my air conditioning is going. Oh man, it feels hot. It's definitely heating up, guys. Just a little reset button up there. That's an easy day. Let's see if it lasts. Normally this fan would be going. Fan? Do something. Fanny! There we go. We fixed it! Guys! We have heat! I don't have to buy anything! It was a little slow going. It worked. It worked for about 1 minute, then broke last night. So let's see how long this lasts. Whatever. Just a little reset button, guys. All right. If it breaks, I'll let you know. All right, peace out. We got heat. Things are heating up in this bathroom.